Hello and namaste to all my dear listeners, and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And I'm your host, Kapil Gupta. And today we are going to talk about something truly out of this world. Quite literally, we are diving into one of the most exciting, futuristic, and mind expanding careers, astrobiology. You know, just yesterday, I was chatting with my 12-year-old nephew, and he asked me, Uncle, is there aliens out there? And who studies them? Well, that's exactly what we are going to discuss today. So, have you ever wondered if life exists beyond Earth? What secrets might Mars, Europa, or exoplanets hold? So, astrobiology is the fascinating field that seeks answers to these profound questions. And in this episode, we'll explore the career scope, required skills, salaries, and more about becoming an astrobiologist. So, whether you're a science enthusiast or just curious about space and the origins of life, this episode is for you. So, grab your headphones and get ready to journey into the cosmos. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. Now, astrobiology is where biology meets space science. It's the study of life in the universe, not just on Earth, but potentially anywhere in the cosmos. Sounds exciting, right? So trust me, it gets better. Astrobiology is a relatively new field, but it's growing rapidly thanks to advancements in space exploration and technology. In India, organizations like Indian Space Research Organization, popularly known as ISRO, are expanding their research into astrobiology. ISRO's missions to Mars and the Moon are paving the way for future astrobiology studies. Indian universities are also beginning to offer specialized courses in space sciences. Abroad, astrobiology is a thriving field. NASA, ESA, that is European Space Agency, and private companies like SpaceX are constantly looking for talented astrobiologists to contribute to missions exploring planets, moons, and exoplanets. Now, research opportunities abound in the United States, Europe, and even countries like Japan and Australia, where space programs are flourishing. Now, astrobiology has applications not only in space agencies but also in academia, biotechnology, and environmental sciences. Now, let me tell you what an astrobiologist actually does. Now, astrobiologists study the origin, evolution, and potential for life in the universe. Their work is a mix of biology, chemistry, physics, and geology. Now, these space age scientists spend their time analyzing samples from planets or meteorites, conducting simulations to study extreme environments like deep sea vents or deserts, which resemble extraterrestrial conditions, then analyzing data from space missions and telescopes, then conducting lab experiments to understand how life might survive in space, then developing theories about the origin of life, and working with space agencies to design experiments for Mars missions and other planetary exploration, and collaborating with engineers to design instruments for space missions, and finally, teaching or writing research papers for academic journals. And astrobiologists work in research labs, universities, observatories, and space agencies. Some also participate in fieldwork, exploring extreme environments like Antarctica or volcanic sites to study analogs of alien ecosystems. Isn't it interesting? Curious to know more? Okay, let's see how to step into this field. So, becoming an astrobiologist requires a strong foundation in science and an interdisciplinary approach. Now, let's talk about the essential skills: the critical thinking and problem solving, proficiency in biology, chemistry, and physics, research and analytical skills, computer programming for data analysis and simulations, teamwork and communication, as much of the work is collaborative, and patience, because finding alien life isn't an overnight job. Now, let's talk about the educational qualifications. You have to start with a bachelor's degree in fields like biology, physics, astronomy, or even geology. Then you need to pursue a master's degree or a PhD in astrobiology or a related specialization such as planetary science or microbiology. Now, let's talk about the best universities in India and abroad. Talking about India first: Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru; Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, that is IIST, Thiruvananthapuram; then Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, Mumbai; then University of Hyderabad; and then abroad, NASA Astrobiology Institute; then Harvard University, USA. Who hasn't heard of its name? Then University of Cambridge, UK; then California Institute of Technology, US; University of Washington; University of Edinburgh; Stockholm University; and last but not the least, Australian National University, based in, of course, Australia. Now, these institutions offer cutting edge programs in astrobiology and related fields. Now, you must be wondering, what kind of salary can an astrobiologist expect? So, in India, as an entry level researcher or scientist at ISRO or similar organizations, you can expect a starting salary of 6 to 10 lakhs per year. With experience, this can increase to 20 to 30 lakhs annually, especially in senior positions. Then in the United States, the average salary for astrobiologists working with NASA or other research institutions ranges from $80,000 to $140,000 per year. So that's around 65 to 115 lakhs. Then in Europe, astrobiologists can earn around 50,000 euros to 100,000 euros, nearly 44 to 88 lakhs, depending on their role and experience. Clearly, the financial rewards are substantial, and especially if you're working with international organizations. Friends, astrobiology is not just a career, it's a quest to understand our place in the universe. It's an adventure into the unknown. From studying ancient microbial life on Earth to exploring the icy moons of Jupiter, this field offers endless opportunities to satisfy your curiosity and contribute to humanity's knowledge. As India's space program grows and global space exploration advances, the opportunities in this field will only expand. And if you're passionate about space, science, and the search for life, this could be the perfect career for you. Remember, the universe is vast and there's so much left to discover. Remember, as we say in India, Tare Zameen Par. The stars are within reach, and all you need is dedication and the right guidance. So, thank you for tuning in to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Share this podcast with someone who dreams of exploring the cosmos. Until next time, keep aiming for the stars. Your journey has just begun. So stay curious, stay inspired. This is Kapil Gupta signing off.